What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial, so let's get into it, guys. Let's go. Grab your Gele, grab your pin, and let's go. The measurement for this Gele is 70-30. As you can see, just grabbing my 70-30, press your Gele down, right down in the middle. Make sure it's press the life out of that, and then you grab your Gele. You want to do your pleats. As you can see, I'm doing my pleats. Let me know in the comment down below if you want me to break it down, how I achieve my pleats. Yeah, put it down on my leg just to press it down, and I place it right on my leg. Pardon me, I place it right on my head, but as you can see, I've placed it diagonally. So because I'm achieving the V, right, I'm not placed it straight across my head, so it's not circled. It's diagonal, one side covered and the other side uncovered. And then I grab everything and I turn around, and I grab the excess Gele to make sure to grab, and then I cross over. Remember, the short hand of the Gele goes under, and then the longer hand goes above. So the shorter Gele goes underneath the Gele, and then the longer one, so the 30% of the Gele goes under, and then the 70% goes above. So I grab the other side, and I try and achieve my pleats on this side. So as you can see, I was pulling the rest of the Gele. So I get that, I've gotten as much pleat as I wanted, and then I come around and I just use my fingers to try and make it as straight and as neat as possible. So you can see that. Just take my fingers. I want my pleats to be close to each other, so you can see me adjusting them and making them just close to each other as possible. So I don't want it too big, don't want the big gaps. I want it very thin, very small, close to each other, you know, brothers, couples, lovers, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I take that back, and here I press it down, and then I take the last bit. As you can see, I'm pointing that out, the last bit of the Gele, and I place it on the other side, making sure it's tight enough, making sure it's secure. And then I grab my pin. Remember, this pin, the one you're using for this side, is the one without the bob. Make sure you're using the one without the bubble, because that way it's invisible. That's why it's very difficult to see through the camera, because it's really tiny, and it's more like the sewing pin but without the bubble. As you can see, you can't even see it. That's how good it is. So make sure you use the one without the bubble. So you see, I come back here just to make sure my pleats are in place and order nice and neat. Look at the other side, make sure it's nice and neat, secured, covering my earlobe as much as possible, because you know, this Gele, it don't move. I don't want this Gele moving. I want it to stay, secure the bag. You know, when you're dancing, you don't want your Gele shifting. So I turn around to show you guys the back of the Gele. Okay guys, so once I grab this end, I just start my twist. I just twist. I don't twist it fully. As you can see, I just twist it halfway. I get my twist, and then I just hold on to the end of it, place it there, and then secure it with a pin, of course. Get my pin, and then I secure it in. Remember, I've told you guys, you put your pin like you're making a stitch, in, out, in, out, in, out, and that's how to pin your Geles. And then I start making my ruffles bit by bit, make it as much as you want. And then here I fold it behind, and you can see I make as much as possible. Oh, we're adjusting the camera, trying to give you guys the best view. See. Anyways, I get my ruffles, and then I make as much as I want to the way I want it and to the shape I want it, and then, as you know, get pin. I get my pin and I keep using the pin to secure it. More pins. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys keep watching, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna come back in. You secure it. If the ruffles is not good enough, you add more ruffles, more pins. Obviously, the more ruffles you add, the more you're gonna use your pins. So keep pinning. Turn around for you guys. See the view. HD quality. Oh yes, guys, don't forget to watch the video in high quality 1030p. I think is to get the best quality. And then here I'm just putting away the excess gele, and you know I like putting my gele back, and I like making the back of it and like an envelope style. So you see my pinning is in out, and that is it, guys. And yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Stay blessed.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know